Essay on Causes of Pollution. Introduction. The term pollution refers to the contamination of the natural environment and its components through the addition of polluting substances. These polluting substances are mainly produced due to human activities. Human-induced causes pollute the air, water and soil. Human-induced causes of pollution. Main human-induced or anthropogenic causes of pollution include industries, transportation, waste disposal, oil spills, use of chemical fertilizers, etc. There are several other activities of humans that are responsible for the pollution. These activities generate pollutants as byproducts either in gaseous or in solid forms, which is left into the atmosphere. Gaseous pollutants thus pollute the air and solid pollutants find their way into water and soil. The irony is that human-induced pollution is increasing in intensity with each passing day and its effects are getting more and more intense. Natural causes of pollution. Organic compounds generated from plants, soil and dust from several sources are some natural sources of pollution. Also, natural events like volcanic eruption, forest fire and storms also cause pollution. Volcanic eruption sends dense smoke high in the atmosphere and contains small particulate matter as well as gases. They remain suspended in the air for a longer time. Forest fires are also a source of the smoke and harmful gases as well as soot generated due to the burning of wood. Conclusion. Natural causes of pollution are minuscule and have an almost negligible effect on the environment in comparison to the human-induced causes. It is only the human-induced causes that are primarily responsible for all kinds of existing pollution on the planet. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.